So, hello everyone, this is Arnav and you are watching my channel Arnav Vlogs. So, in today's vlog, we are not going to study anything. In today's vlog, we are only going to learn how to use Google Classroom. Google Classroom is a type of class and it is a app in your phone. You can download it from Play Store or Apple Play Store in your phones, mobiles. So it is a type of classroom. In that classroom, you will get notifications of your classwork and which your teachers give you, and your class, every class is separate in that. So let's see how can we use the Google Classroom. So this is the home screen of Google Classroom. When you open Google Classroom, this is the home screen you will see on your mobile. Now here it is giving a instruction that create or join your first class. So here I can click on this plus icon like this. So now the two options come on my screen. The first one is create class and the second one is join class. So I am going to touch join class. So here my ID is given at the top and this is the class code. Here we can enter the class code which is given by our teacher and then we can join the class. So let's join a class like this. So this is the keyboard. So now I can type a code of a class UW So I have entered the class code now. So here the option join came on the my screen. So I am going to tap on it. So now it is loading. So this is the class 7B. I have joined class 7B computer class. This I can see. Now this is the home screen and this is my first class I have joined, Amit Messi class 7B. This is my computer class. So I will tap on this and it will show me a screen in which work is given by my teacher. Here in the bottom of the screen you can see that there are three options. The first one is stream, the second one is classwork and the third one is people. So this is the stream screen. You can see in this screen we get normal work given by our teacher. I can open one tab. This is due to extremely inactive internet, posts are delayed. My teacher has written. So this is these are the tabs given by our teacher. So now I have tapped on classwork. So in classwork it is giving me four options. Class 7 unit test 1, ethics and safety measures in computer. Assignment 1, ethics and safety measures in computing. So this is the classwork. In this I will get the work which my teacher has given in the classwork tab. So I can open one tab out of this. This is like this. This is the tab. Now this is class 7 unit test 1 computer application. So here I have given this test already, so I will touch mark as done. Here you can add any attachment like this. This is the option of add attachment. So I am going to tap here on add attachment. So when I tapped on add attachment, a screen comes on my mobile. So this is here various type of options are given to me. So let's see what are the options. The first one is drive, the second one is link, the third one is file, the fourth one is take photo, the fifth one is record video, and create. Now these 5 option is to attach any of your file, link, drive, record video, take photo in this from your memory, or you can record also photo, or you can take photo from here. So this 5 options are to attach any of your file from your memory. But these 4 options, here it is written create. So these 4 options are to create documents. Here the first one is new docs, new documents. Second one is new slides. Third one is new sheets. Fourth one is new PDF. In this we can make a new PDF also, new sheets, new slides, new documents, what you mean. So let's back to our class. Now this is classwork. This is the second option. I have told you to how to attach your work in Google Classroom. So let's see the third option of people. So in the people option, you can see here these are various type of users in this class. These are the students of this class. So this option is not any good option. This is only for seeing the people. So this is how to use it. So now I am going back. So this is my home screen. I have come back to my home screen of Google Classroom. So in Google Classroom's home screen, I have entered my first class. Now here you can see here is an option of triple dots one by one. So let's see. Let's tap on it. So it gives me 2 options. The first one is unenroll and the second one is report abuse. So unenroll is used to delete a class. If you tap on it, it will delete that class. If I will tap on this, it will delete my class, but I do not want to delete my class. And the second option is report abuse. Report abuse is an option to it gives you many options. You can report any abuse to Google. This is not a very useful option. So now this is our home screen, and home screen is also full of options. So let's see here how we can use whole Google Classroom. So now here we can see on the top of the screen 3 dots like this. So let's tap on it, and I have tapped on it, and it gives me 2 options. The first one is refresh and the second one is send Google feedback. Google feedback means how do you like this app, how much do you like. This is not very useful. The first one is refresh. If you tap on refresh, refresh will delete your all classes you have joined in your ID. So I am not going to tap on it. So this is my ID. I will tap on this. So it opens my all IDs, all other IDs. Like you can see, this is all 3 other IDs. but I have not any use for this. So now we leave one option in the left hand side of the screen. This option is this. So now I have tapped on this option, so it gives me many options on my screen. So the first one is classes, second one is calendar, third one is to do, the fourth one is class 7th, which fourth one shows what classes I have in this, and the fifth one is archived classes. Archived classes means you have hidden a class, and the sixth one is classroom folders. I will open this, and it is open Google Drive and many of things. I don't know more about this, so let's leave it, and then let's get back. And this is classroom folders, and now seventh option is settings. So in settings I will tap, so here it will give many settings. I can set my any personal ID from here, and the eighth one is help, the ninth one is privacy policy, and the 10th one is terms of service. So these are some options in which classroom gives on a home screen. So total I have told everything about classroom, how to use classroom, how to attach work, and about every option. I don't think that I have leaved anything. If I have leaved so please tell me in the comment. Thanks. If you liked, please give a thumbs up. If you dislike, please give a thumbs down. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe to the channel, and be safe, be secure, be indoors. Bye.